Hi, good morning children. Welcome back to our class. Children, in the previous class, what did you study? Yes, you studied about prefixes. Okay? അപ്പോൾ ഇതാണ് നമ്മുടെ ഓപ്പോസിറ്റ്സ് ആയിട്ട് വരുന്നത് അല്ലേ? ഇപ്പോൾ ഹാപ്പി, അൺഹാപ്പി, ഏബിൾ, unable, like that. Okay, children. Today we are going to study about articles. What, children? Articles. Children, how many letters are there in the English alphabet? How many letters are there in the English alphabet? We know that there are 26 letters in the English alphabet. There are 26 letters in the English alphabet. Right? Yes. Then here, do you know what are articles? And, the. So these are the articles. Right? Understand? And, the. These are the articles. Children, here and. These are indefinite articles. Indefinite. Right? The is a definite article. Right, children? So, how many letters are there in the English alphabet? There are 26 letters in the English alphabet. Right? Then what are articles? Can you tell me? And. These are indefinite article and the is the definite article. Right, children? We know that articles come before nouns. Articles come before nouns. Okay. Then children, say, all of you say, how many letters are there in the English alphabet? There are 26 letters in the English alphabet. Okay, then here, we know that, see here, children, so we know that these are so A to Z. Understand? So how many are there? 26 letters are there are 26 letters in the English alphabet. Children, you see here, this is A. Then next one E. Next I. Next O. Next U. Children, can you tell me, these are already you learned in the last year. Understand? Already you learned in the second standard. So here A, E, I, O, U, 26 letters are there in the English alphabet. There are 26 letters in the English alphabet. So in these letters, so here you see here A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels. These are vowels. Then the rest of the letters are called consonants. Right, children? Already you learned in the previous year. Okay, so here A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels and rest of the letters are called consonants. Okay, how many letters are there in the English alphabet? There are 26 letters in the English alphabet. So here A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels. Rest of the letters. What are the rest of the letters, children? B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P. Oh, you don't get O. Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. So these letters are called consonants. Right? A, E, I, O, U. These letters are called vowels. These are vowels. Rest of the letters are called consonants. Okay, children? Then what are articles? A and the. These are articles. Okay, I told you articles come before nouns. Okay, then children here a and. See here a. We use and before the vowels. Okay, in front of the word beginning with vowels. So here a and an. These are indefinite articles. So here we use before and. We use and before vowels. We use a. We use a in front of the word consonant. Right? Okay, children. There are how many letters are there in the English alphabet? There are 26 letters in the English alphabet. Then A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels. Right? Rest of the letters are called consonants. Okay. Then a and the. These are articles. A and an are indefinite article. The is the definite article. Have you understood? We use before or in front of the word beginning with consonant. Then and. We use and in front of the word beginning with vowels. Have you understood? So how many letters are there in the English alphabet? There are 26 letters in the English alphabet. What are they? I told you no. A to Z. Understand? A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels. Then rest of the letters are called consonants. Right? Then a and an. These are indefinite article and the is the definite article. Okay, children. So now here we use and in front of the word beginning with vowels. Then we use a in front of the word beginning with consonants. അതായത് നമ്മൾ എ യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് കോൺസണന്റിന് മുമ്പും കോൺസണൻസിന് മുമ്പും. കോൺസണൻസ് നമുക്കറിയാം ബി സി ഡി അല്ലേ? ആൻഡ് യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് വവൽസിനും മുൻപാണ്. അണ്ടർസ്റ്റാൻഡ്? നമ്മൾ എ യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് കോൺസണൻസിന് മുൻപും ആൻഡ് യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് വവൽസിനും മുൻപും. ഓക്കെ ചിൽഡ്രൻ? So we use a in front of the word beginning with consonants and we use and in front of the word beginning with vowels. Have you understood? Okay. Then you see here, I will write some examples. You see here, let us see some examples. Apple. Orange. Ice cream. X. Eagle. The last one, elephant. Children, look at the board, children. Look at the board. See here, dash apple. You see here, look at this word. This word is apple. Listen carefully, children. Listen carefully. Here the first letter is which letter? First letter is which letter? O. Right? O is the first letter. We know that O is it vowel or consonant, children? O is a vowel. So you should write here an apple. Right? The next one, dash orange. Here the first letter. The first letter is here O. Orange. The first letter is O. So here, is it vowel or consonant, children? We know that O is a vowel. So you should write there an orange. Right? Then next one, dash ice cream. The first letter is here I. So what you will write there, children? Here I is a vowel. So you should write here and. The next one, dash X. The first letter is O. Right? So here what you will write? An X. The next one, dash ig. So the first letter is E. E is a vowel. So you should write there an ig. The next one, dash elephant. The first letter is E. So you should write here an elephant. Understood? So here we use an before the or in front of the word beginning with vowels. Le vowels inu mumbayittana nammal an ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നത്. Right, children? Then another word you see here, children. Another word. Honor. Honest. You see here. All of you look here. Then another one. Our. Okay, children. Look at this word. The first word is honor. How can I see how we will pronounce, children? Huh? You are thinking that this the first letter is H, no? So that is H is a consonant, but that is not. We are telling here a honor. Is it right, children? Is it right? That is not right. That is wrong. So here you see here first letter is H. Okay. Okay, H is a consonant. But you see here next letter is O. Here H is silent. H is silent. So we are honor. We are pronouncing honor. O. O. Not honor. Isn't it? Not honor. We are not pronouncing honor. H is silent. There is, see, H is silent there. So you should pronounce honor. So O. O is a vowel. You see here O. So here you should use here an honor. Right? The next one you see there honest. How we will pronounce, children? Honest or honest? Here also H is silent. Understand? H is silent. Then you should pronounce honest. So here O. Honest. O. O is a vowel. So you should write an honest. The next one, HOUR, how you will pronounce? Or how can you pronounce? Hover? Hover? No. So you should pronounce our. H is silent. So you should pronounce our. So here you can write here an hour. Vowel no here O, O, O. So already we learned that. So here in front of the word beginning with vowel, what we have to use here? And. So here H is silent. Then you should pronounce honor, honest, our. So you can write here an honest, an honor, then an hour. Understood, children? Then, so now listen to me. There are, how many letters are there in the English alphabet? There are 26 letters in the English alphabet. Okay, what are they? From A to Z, right? A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels. Rest of the letters are called consonants. Understand? Then we use an in front of the word beginning with vowels. Then we use a in front of the word beginning with consonants. Understand? Sometimes I told you also here. The first letter is silent H. So you have to take, see here next letter. O, honor, honest, our. Right? Okay children? Children, how many letters are there in the English alphabet? There are 26 letters in the English alphabet. Then, what are they? From A to Z. Then, A, E, I, O, U, these are vowels. Rest of the letters are called consonants. Okay? Okay, children. Then, what are articles? Our topic is articles. Right? What are articles? A and the. These are articles. A and an. These are indefinite article. The is the definite article. Okay. Then we use an in front of the word beginning with vowels, and we use a. We use a in front of the word beginning with consonants. Have you understood? Okay, children. What are articles? A and the. These are articles. Okay, we use a in front of the word beginning with consonants. We use an in front of the word beginning with vowels. A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels. Rest of the letters are called consonants. Okay, children? Children, have you understood? Okay, children, I am going to wind up the class. Thank you and have a nice day.